The Honeywell 5203 Digital Dial Steel Security Safe is an exceptional choice for those looking for the security of a combination dial lock with the convenience and control of an easily programmable digital lock. Digital dial lock technology lets you program and use your own 5 two-digit number combination for entry with an LED display above the dial, assuring that you have selected the correct numbers when entering your chosen combination. For demonstration purpose, let's say that your chosen combination is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. To unlock, begin by inserting the companion entry key into the keyhole on the left side of the lock fascia. Now you can enter your combination by turning the dial until the first number is displayed on the LCD panel. With the number displayed, press in on the dial knob and the number will flash 3 times while a single dot will light up to the left of the number on the display. Now repeat this by turning the dial either direction until the second number is displayed, then pushing the dial in. The second number will now flash 3 times and a second dot will appear on the LCD display panel. Do the same thing for the third, fourth, and fifth numbers. When the fifth number has been entered, a small unlock symbol will appear next to the dots indicating that the combination has been successfully entered, and you can now open the safe by turning the companion entry key to the right. To lock the safe, simply close the door and turn the companion entry key to the left. These digital safes are designed with 2 solid steel locking bolts and pry-resistant concealed hinges to provide robust protection against unauthorized access. The interior features a carpeted floor and a flat-bottom doorway to help protect the contents from damage. The 5203 offers 0.9 cubic feet of storage space and a removable shelf, making it ideal for securing personal electronics, medications, jewelry, watches, and many other valuable possessions. Honeywell digital dial safes are also available in larger sizes, with the 1.1 cubic feet model 5205 and the 2.8 cubic feet model 5207. All Honeywell digital dial safes include a bolt-down mounting kit for added security. The lock requires 4 AA batteries, which are included, and an emergency override access key that can be used to open the safe if the batteries become depleted or the combination is forgotten. All Honeywell digital dial steel security safes are backed by an industry-leading 7-year warranty.